Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of improvements on the application of Disney Plus. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. We'll enter here. When above you can search about Disney Plus and you will enter Disney Plus. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support